how to buy Dogeai Asian token. So this token came under the symbol of Dogeai. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Also check their Telegram channel. They include it too on their X account. So this token is available on CoinMarketCap, as you can see here, guys. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token it's under the Solana network. After that, open your Phantom wallet. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, and here click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. Here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. So after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, but make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So after that, if you face an issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy Dogeai token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.